APLD stock analysis and APLD stock prediction. Is it a buy? Let's see where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. To be very frank and honest, last week performance, let's talk about this, has been kind of sick, 17% up, and the last 3 weeks actually have been very similar. Before I get into this context, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, I've called out thousands of correct predictions, and all of it has been documented on my YouTube channel. Specifically looking at APLD, the only thing that I'm looking to further do here is just still buy. The only caveat to this thing though is it must give me the rules. I always talk about rules, but again, this is just something that I've tested for 36,000 videos, and I'd rather stick to that rather than just be like a freaking bee without head, right? So that being said, if I see the price, for example, when we open on Monday, if it does pull down inside my demand areas and gives me that confirmation, I'm not going to be sitting on my ass, but more so I'm going to be acting. And how will I act? Pretty much by buying, right? So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.